Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Exploiting Bluetooth on Android mobile devices and a security application. In this project, we are using a lot of sensors. Those are the sensors are called. Temperature, fire, LDR, humidity, intruder, smoke, gas, and cooling fan. When the temperature is increases, the cooling fan will be on. If any fire or gas leakage alert, we are giving as a buzzer. And LDR, we are using the LED. So at the same time, we are getting the data on my Android mobile phone, a Samsung, and that is an TCP/IP. We are using one Android app. That app will continuously displayed on my Android mobile device. These are all the parameters value continuously displayed on my Android mobile. And at the last, we are using a power supply section. So in this power supply, first of all, I am using a transformer. It's a step down transformer. So that is connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator. So it is a regulator power supply of 5 volts. So here I am using another regulator, that is called LM1117 fixed 3.3 volts regulator, and after that one LED. So this is an power supply section. So here I am using an LPC 2148 ARM processor I am using. So those are the parameters are here: the temperature, fire, LDR, and one humidity, and one gas sensor. And here I am using one intruder. If there is any intruder occur, it gives the alarm. So here I am using Wi-Fi UART module. I am getting the data on my Android mobile. So here I am using an cooling fan. If the temperature is increases, it should be on. And the alarm I am using, I keep it on this. If we remove like this, so if any person is entered, so I kept like this. So first of all, when coming into the picture, and LPC 2148 having 64 pin IC, total 2 ports, port 0 and port 1, and it is an 32-bit instruction set. Port 0 is consist of 32 pins, port 1 consists of 16 pin. Total 48 input output bidirectional. And here I am using the two switch buttons. One is ISP and another one is reset. So if the program, so we want to restart, is something should be happened, so we want to restart it, so we will get the data. Exploiting Wi-Fi Android mobile device, controlling for industrial application, temperature, smoke, intruder, light, fire, humidity. So all the parameters are continuously taking. So if I increase the temperature, so I'll show. So if I am increasing the temperature, so I am taking one tube stick. If the temperature increases, so it should be displayed 31, 33, 33, 35, 38, 43, 45, 47. So if the temperature above 45, the fan should be on. If I remove, so after that I used one smoke. If I am giving the smoke to this one, okay, I am placing. So if the 250, 200 and above, it gives a alarm. If the fire occurred, it gives the buzzer. F is called fire. So I am using one LDR sensor. In that LDR, if I place this, the LED should be on. If my hand is closed on the LDR sensor, the light is on. If I remove my LDR, there is light available. I am here the light available. So light available means bulb should be off. So I am placing my finger, LED on. If I remove my LED, the bulb should be off. So if any person enters, the buzzer should be on. So here I am using one. So I give to humidity on that H for the humidity. So why we are using all the sensors means, in industrial area there are the large parameters, large number of motors, some units are continuously running, they produces something, any leakage or gas alert or any fire occurred. These are the parameters continuously send update the data on my Android mobile. So there is an app, we are continuously taking the data on my Wi-Fi, Android Bluetooth, Android Wi-Fi device. So this is called an exploiting Wi-Fi on Android mobile device for industrial application. We developed these all the parameters. So if there is any doubts, let me know to SVS Embedded. Thanking you.